Right, hi everyone. Now, as you know, or you may not know, my axle's knackered, but I'm going to keep the half shaft, so I just thought I'd do a quick video to show an easy way to get the half shaft out, or to pull the bearing. I'm not sure whether this is going to work or not, so you have to bear with me. Let's see what it does. Well, what we need to do is get the old hub. Here we go. Then we get this. Then we'll wedge that between there and there. He says we can actually get it to start on there. I might actually do a bolt each side actually. It'd actually be better if I could lock it from the other side, but I haven't got any bolts long enough. Right, let's get another one that size. Where they gone? I literally just had them. Bear with me. Cut that out. Oh, alright, we'll cut that bit out anyway. But right, so I'll make this other one the same length, just so I pull it squarer. I think if I bolt it up, I might get away with it. Right, so we'll put that one on opposite there. Then we've got a little bit of thread here. So if we find a nut from that earlier, hope you can see, and then we'll put that on there. And then we'll get our gun. And then in theory, when we wind this in, it should pull the bearing out. Oh, I've run out of travel. That's no problem, because all we do, we just wind these in a bit more. Like so. And then we'll wind it a bit more. There you go, easy as that. Right, well this video is going to be short and sweet, isn't it? But there you go, hope that's of use to someone. I think there's quite a few videos on the internet over it, but here's another one.